To last week Saturday na danger moko central no.
Mpasho.
By interview. Oma police case na.
Make my mama update kaka.
Update ni nyina I have funtus official. Update ben.
Yeah, my leader donko.
Oh yeah, man.
I say you're interested in the case.
And the
Pip for say pip so say. Almost so I take it over the case.
I'm not taking over.
And boy no so I control the statement Thursday Tuesday no. And see a problem is say Kotoko supporters must say the benifono am almost says form.
Penny ben a small.
Say case no say benifono taking interest.
Baby penny ben a small 1 man says it for.
Na said board ho management outgoing IMC so.
Yen to no man
and happen council so eba hobby o.
So about am friends on me ha obey no say we nim no god baby.
Tawa sana na naika.
Na ma me
na dey oga sanchira obo no mu say
oga tell say madam lady don go interest no me buza say o na aka na dey obi ka say dey buza say san waka o ma wo me so mo interest o me buza
say me ma ko police station ho me the officer in charge of the case ma ko no ho akoshia no
any transition man nyina no ma mo go fa we meka no
me money dis e fe Mr. Yafi
encha Ghana police for oh and the police for on board my pa
case ni me da so de chire Monday say me ko so
MTTD for no mo board my pa yeah Ghana police encho
nti o mnyere
anza ejedi unim
nti o mnyere
ejedi unim bibi
o de
se uko police
for me de me
se uko police for na uko ke for wasen na de ama prosecutor investigator so we ask him no we ask him the weight say police for omo court omo go omo ni ma
sa pepepe omo so mo record
ti wow dey asem no call ye no also ma dance ya
emuso
eye crojin
enye 2x4 dance
there's a video there's physical cash
one your tolerance grow so we can say ma what dance na ade be ma police no so go na go twa video chiro obi do obi afiri bi kam asi
na or the scammer player no so judge for the scammer
or this kind of man no we no
the better na kama
e dey enkomo na no mu di
yo audio
no audio nyina
audio so ho
omo tika no audio
the kan mu say pre discussions no e ho audio so ho between the player and eja one eja bia o so o blast ho no mo
eja no no position me no kura o blast
say the
investigation
will unravel
ye ko no eja before na di
WhatsApp chat no
ni eja no na prayer
ni nyina wo ho
na eja no wan so no
I said the dey Osman dey no eja no mesen ko kan tell police for there
eja no o blast of this
if na your product na be people na omo so ka ho we
if na hu sa asem no mo mre
the case has been foolish.
Funtus official.
Tama. Who person push me na me count. I'm on for patch. I'm person push me na me.
I'm not to say that. As asem no.
Asem that's in that.
I'm not to say. E go quarter.
Asem that's in that.
E go quarter no. I'm to say that. As there you chat him.
There are two baby.
Asem Tama.
Babo jam.
Asem mo me ko nyane asem no.
Nyane asem there. You be so
na e be say unu kure wo mu. Adobi aka se me
na ko police ni no
ho na ko
chief inspector we afia na
na am just na police ni say
why guys only chief
Mr. we afia
Mr. we afia chief inspector
o sergeant crowd dey nyare
o chief inspector
we afia
what say
na me say me koye no dey o ka kire me ni
one we amemu asema ko busa no o tie so amebusa no
on the program won fa ni agro
me dey mebusa we mebusa na
and so be o ba adwuma on test
we mebusa na sem
and me dey na hwe yen ke be ko
ya e be we na musa na sem
say ni a kire dey I no e di
o ko o say
Tama and me di kaka say ye maame ile don kwateki wa fresh we interested in the case almost say by police ethics
more fire
the gentleman involved Moro Idrisu say Moro ontimi
o menshia na na
no menshia friend say division no ontimi nye de oye no the police edit say no wɔyɛ alleged middleman.
I like that word.
Alleged. Say o say me ntimi nka say.
Do alleged middleman. Did you know ntimi nye? Say pen mo alleged so conclude.
What I conclude?
E dey no why ya ntimi nye. When you call it an alleged.
Case
See, what's say alleged?
Let me count.
Alleged. Why do you conclude? So why you be any go answer ye? I don't also alleged.
Until investigation unravel all this.
And police for ntimi nka say onye die ontimi nye die why because onye.
Until they almost people for take over.
Asem kito dey copy.
Almost take over and put the data down. I said about central no. I call regional command honum.
Me say.
I call regional command.
Me say.
I'm not done police case.
Me check some all blacks so say em free obi am pom tom come to police ni bianca. Enti no they say no, ka asem ba yi. Say all blacks asem na mo ka. Ki afro all blacks mpanyimfo.
Makan
statement.
Akwache kan kra be tia be si central.
Yes kan
na no me dey so am say the kan bo ni panya. Ka bo ni pa na mo yi.
Kan no. Akwana mo dey fan motor.
Okay, police for mu di agwa.
O ma frɛ no. Me wo baba na ho.
Ghana police o be serious we. Ka bo ni pa afa motor so.
Yes we interest dada.
O me be there be.
You interest pa.
Ka abon afa ni pa so abon motor. Ka adwane. Ka no ye nti se en goche ka.
Na o twidi ye che ka no.
Yes I did the police for asem na.
Ninja sina die. Ya die asebro. Never now go for your gate or Bobocron cry. That's we.
Mama na napping grand Nana Obersum Kotoko we on any transition. Some no mamma fa way mechanism.
$1,000 ne hammy.
1,000.
I could any of
me talk to me for so.
I could be a police.
Oh, me talk to me.
Yes, I am. Yes, I don't 1,000.
There be a farmer will be a case any better than the Scan police team no.
Oh, we are sure.
Me say yes, the corner and Busa Papa. Oh,
Mr.
Why is it water? Oh, no.
Sikana ne cry Patrick, Aseidu no.
No, Patrick is also Yano.
What say I the demand? Eja wusu na eja wusu ne fe. Eja
Anthony Joseph Netikano.
Oh, that be now Sikado the Otuko no. You took out back, you took out the journey and almost a different person.
Also they say.
Already I'm in
why? Oh, what's that? One run out.
Oh, very well. I see no. I said, if I want to be 40 years. Me pass on me so.
Na some no na your press conference. E ju jaba Facebook. Buza the K5 say case na go say. Because we were real
last week because after 1 week na same way. I say ya ton su ogu.
Say na ma me police ni ho no. Asa o ka kire me no say. E no wa say e fe du kwa na.
Oh, na Kotoko there. Police dey asma be so say we epic.
Kotoko dey play na ba mo be twele lu ma se mo. Na dey bi. Play na ko twele lu ma se mo time.
Player there. Eh, police dey ko so bi abo abe mo atwo lu ma se.
Na tro bia. E tira se mo.
Who go to see na so bi abo je be ka twele lu ma se.
Wa ko twele lu ma se.
Asani akofa ni pakro na. It say mpo bi am.
Investigation na ongo emu nya abotre. Dey mo ye ntimi
after 1 week. Oh, car. No to after 1 week car. Car. A of interest and number plate ya capture. Now after 1 week, yenche car no.
Na car.
You
car yenche no.
I'm Robert on go ko him ma wo ayi. Police va go che o mu nyina. Ayi I'm Robert om jan kwa so.
Tell me na ayi eno nyemeda.
Car Kumasi na Kumasi Sunday. Car na Kumasi Saturday or Kumasi Sunday.
Sunday nya na
stadium ho nyina man timi anche car.
Car fa moto so afa ni.
I boni pe kunu.
Na time we bunya sa se ade na musa police for there.
Na dey be the only case ni call you no almost seriousness need to say.
ọmọ case ni ko ọmọ the player no come and try no ma
now the player ko ya dey no come
e na ọmọ say sisi case baby e
so ọmọ ye periodic press conference sani ọmọ ye e so ọmọ say
you brother come complain
say asem go di on police
me na be say ọmọ say
no we asem go di police for
aso ọmọ twetwam na say ọmọ nya hwe
enti me be yes so ha tin kan 3 days say
ba for nya wo story ni e kan
ye ko ọmọ de asem no ko ye
ọmọ asem na me kan
na esi a ọmọ de asem no ko ye no na esi ọmọ de asem no ko ye aso ọmọ ti ada no chama obedi why there be na esi
only one suspect yo Harry ọmọ the case no ko ye
yes chairman K5 power 1 week no kase
bi say akoma no
yes chairman K5 1 week chairman K5 kase bi hey chairman
obi ko bra onim say Kotoko see statement say ọmọ investigate players
ọmọ share up
say we dey upon abaso say won we be whistleblower upon abaso
saka bufu ya whistleblower
chairman K5 ampa nanka police po mi oto case
Zach Nobel time mama me message BCC or see I can confirm not and I will go into it
now Kroman what you because media obiasa Kroman what say
remember K5 me nyasem the make say
omo ho de number for aso ma ho de number for
no more grade press conference
omo ho de
no so we dey say I can confirm not to media obiasa come on to
because we told me it is possible say if proven say
the case no ekuto mo pa Alex ana chairman K5 omo lead pa ana mo frɛ
na ba for organize press conference
me organize press conference tama
on Sunday notice no pa ka me ni se bibi kosompo on the two platforms ma
because as me wo na me nya information me first same also ne obinam ontimi nko me first solo also ontimi oye pagara ontimi nko ina je sa akwese akokora se me ya me sori na me de me hujim ina me bae ebe di echi se ede amande yesu benya kakra aka ma yetin fati me de madwuma me kwa
say
e was on dia say de wo kan mama wo bi say mama wo information ka me
ada aduna no mu jaro
say we have hari be ba ho no pe
ye boy bi so to ye kodo yesu police ni no mu jaro kwa na o mu ana
na mat
o say the Roman bail and they say
I did
go division
ye to be e man
na nim time ma bail
anaju bail no
o say ni bi and
same bua onko oh jawa
but don't want to come on bail
o se wan command bill me man ko bisa de command bill
and then obi count
no ko ho no case no same bi de be nam
no the police is no na mu the
case no
GF for na
it is dangerously dangerous
ya mo bribe o mu league mu no o mo fra kwan say be si ko di match ya
ya publish say
ya che no
ade no jina stadium
na Saturday numere no watime free Kumasi akonduru Accra Sunday
and you should be worried about this GF
oh GF
somebody should be worried about this GF it's not for anything at least almost chairman insema titi fa ohun o di e match na di asem ni obi aka hwe o
obi aka so police station e ko ha de so police
no ko busanu asem no
so ko na ko
mu yam se be ko di
on so ko na down
ya yo ba fo na di o mo di asem no ko police station o mo ayen fa I complain Alex ne chairman K5 where are they
me na me me say omo ni abre omo ya say omo penny for no omo say si
perform
because board for na omo ka hwenche omo outgoing and so omo kan so be export no na wa amu nyamu me
no omo nya den muna mo se
omo na
the team
so asem ni mu
for the team the only thing they can do any the omo so omo here internally so more investigation internally the team nobody should expect Nanape can say board to do anything apart from what they you know what the boss said they are doing the internal investigation.
That board name we nkan.
Eti mona amose mokochi.
Omo ni abrebe team no.
Mona amose mokochi ni pa no. Ah mo put evidence no. Chairman K5 finalist. Mpa cha ko do sen. Ah o da for amose one of the last time omo ko police station.
O de emfa ni say.
Boy no boy ni bi.
To away from the bribery issue.
Oh which is
the car. Or the car
being honest omo change this
obi akode car ebo ka mo report to class car we nkodi bo bia enu kure se ekwache sa aka
na sa no ma no enyi supporter no order be ko na wo binti wase
mama report um de amo report um ne
say na sa no ma nyam
ka supporters na ko de ka report
e wo mi phone so eni ehu police for no wo sika no e wo mi phone so police for no wo
na wo ze ka ne nyere nti no nam de ti ba bo asema wo nti ase no say Kotoko assuming we are not admitting say obi a try so be bribe player
no many abrepa
Kotoko crass have a issue statement say
so
they are investigating other players and local players
mo fe lawyer Safuduku
asem no esi asem no si edwada kwati ada
no memenda and na watch pepepe
okay Monday Tuesday Wednesday police won kan we obi an kan we e dey na Kotoko for no a omde asem ko poli o maka ba na obi aka supporters no kra ne beto om nka se management kra asem no o ma yi o mani
my best story o ma kama my best story
o no mo fro ka cho o ma yi police go ayi o mani ka no ye hu se ne nam so aduru ne nkran potem o ye nya ne we o se afre bi wo fa ba o bo ba
eja usu se eja bibisa
eja usu ayi ne boso ene nam so aduru ya to dame team no abese ye
police ni no kra so
police ya ye di na wotwe
hey Global danger. This is dangerous.
So but yeah,
dangerous.
Danger.
Global what is the park come and what tomorrow. I already watch the show Global. So be tie bua.
Visa. I'm so abeka so ko ejawi afi no Mr. wi afi. And I'm say wi afi asem no. They say akodi pips for nsem. Lydia don ko say o interested in other names. I want names as a so what them go police for. Na so call near so I said they come attorney general docket ro wa. Judge di koda. Omo je magistrate member akukura mai.
Sir.
Do just a babo case.
Visa patrol. Sa discussion ye twama me why.
Oh yeah. That is the how do you go Mr. We are so better here na say. Oh
yeah. Part of me investigation. I don't want to be majuma.
Yeah, Tiano part of investigation.
I don't be a part of investigation. My papa be majuma.
Oh. Babo
the park command what to mo asem no do.
Asem we
say the park command what to mo asem no kire say nipa nu mayema.
I just people have compromise.
Nipa nu wonu mo nyama obekasa.
Enti
emombo the Nigerian politician. Omuka chance who opposition na kasa sa mo ba be hu so say won obi odidi organizer.
Because no too. Na what chinye
who did you antimi ga?
Because if it's proven
me trust it. Omo
obi aga so bi ntato.
Ekoye no. Me gidi say obi anka obi anu ntunu. Me feel say police for no asel.
Ya ka say obi anu atuma. Enye ni nyina na ya man iska. Obi akọ obi betimi aba. Ana obi betimi atwa ma trust. Ya boka na interpret asem na kire no.
Obi ga asem go ya ni nyi hu.
Ya ni ja no. Because now what?
But me dey hold there na ha me.
Na me my den.
Who na organize the press conference? It's we are witness.
Na o was park no so na hari ko na hari don frame we say oh asem bia ba me follow. O blast for akoma me achu. Ntuana me here call 1 or 2 be free all blacks o mo aminim say bia. From say ti akra ntehwe.
Hey!
Afi mo say hari na press go on na buza question press conference.
Director.
Okay, bye team. Ade chin na nwumre.
Chama K5.
I don't know because na muza bu say case no cry.
Say yakka on what to mu a.
Obi anka
I will come after you.
Where?
You go after Chama K5. Go to and the ho na ocho foforo. Whatever say by next week
Saturday. Yes, Monday mu a.
No the man want to say by next and the crab
go the test case.
Say Mr. Rafido was central here. You be come Mr.
So yeah, you might oboko.
I be come no. You be akwachi anu. The Rafido so open the pass and pa. Me kwese me come off house. Mo tu nti e be ko ho.
The Rafido.
You be ko opi ho.
Na ba ko be mo.
Na
opi na e ofa no.
You be ko opi.
On the do omo
a. You be ko opi so Kotoko ni pa. Be ko so opi.
Kase pa.
Dia ko mo ye team ni o. Wo ne Officer Bright to
what like case
Officer Bright Sunday
me Officer Bright to hand man can
Sunday dey be
I don't him
don't be boa
Mr. We are for Kotoko ni pure
and a case you police case
enti the hand no a o say on chance say Kotoko for no and a F for no o mo nyina
afraid that wo ka asem no
mede bɛso asɛm sɛ ɔsɛ sɛ ɛna meka kyɛ wɔ sɛ ɔno police side no deɛ policefoɔ no ayɛ ɔmo deɛ
ba ɔmo ɛsɛ ɔmo support
ba footballfoɔ no side no
ɔmo ada
ɔmo ɛmpushi no sɛnea ɛna mekɔɔ supporters no kɔbisa m because ɔmo na menim ɛna ɔmo se ɔmo board no ne outgoing MC no ama ɔmo sɛ ɛyɛ asi fam because ɛsɛ ka ɔmo take interest na ɔmo pushi adeɛ no I'm talking to them timer mímẹ ní abúlé case ni wo.
supporters no bu afu.
ẹbẹ fún ọmọ yíyá sáfì ni wọ́n ti máa sẹ́mu nù. ọmọ fún ọmọ.
ẹni ọmọ ní ẹ̀jẹ̀ díẹ̀.
case ẹni àdá.
ọ sẹ́mi dẹ̀ mi ti fi nǹkan jọ sọ ọmọ ní ẹ̀jẹ̀ díẹ̀ náà ọmọ ní ẹ̀jẹ̀.
ẹni ẹ̀mí ká kyerẹ ọmọ.
àdá.
ètò wẹ́ẹ́ ká kyerẹ K5 ní sọ ọmọ ní ẹ̀jẹ̀.
ànsẹ́ díẹ̀ dùn no sọ the case kọ police station sí ẹ̀ tiẹ̀ yìí ọ̀rẹ́ pa asẹ́mẹ́sì náà wọ́n aṣọ nípa mu dín kọ police station. ó kọ yẹ board of director ọ̀rẹ́ pa sí yẹn ní ìyẹn ho management sí yẹn ní ìyẹn ho sẹ́wọ́n sọ ọjà yìí.
n'ajẹ sẹ ọmọ sọsọ bribery and corruption so.
dẹbi bi àná ọmọ sẹ asẹm ní mu dúró ní wọ fọm.
nane kò mọ issue statement yẹ dẹ.
statement sọ ọmọ rere mu.
nti ọmọ kò mọ ẹka n ṣe sọ ọmọ yẹ mu.
o ṣe statement kò mention police.
dẹbi ọmọ nka sọ ọmọ yìí bọ.
o ka o bọ nfa statement he didn't even mention the police.
ọmọ nka case.
asọmi ati wá ṣe alọji complain wọ police station no yẹ yẹ internal investigation you are ready to cooperate with the police. ọmọ àmú police ìbáfọ. Jai ne pick from. Monday.
Right you. So,